Hey there guys, in case you haven't heard, Roblox has just announced the release of the brand new 2025 Roblox Studio. If you haven't already seen it and are as curious as I am to see how Roblox Studio will look like in 2025, then come with me and we'll take a look together. Wow, look at that! Everything looks so different. Remember the old days when we came into Roblox Studio and we had those confusing buttons on the left hand side where you had to choose between the plus button or the My Games button or the Recent button? Well, those days are over. Now all you need to do is to scroll that wheel on your mouse and everything is there for you. Here you can see my recent experiences, so I didn't really have to click on anything and it's just there for me. If I keep scrolling, I see all the templates. Like before I have to click on the template button to see all the templates, but now it is there automatically. And look at this, we have all the Roblox Studio tutorials right here at our fingertips. This is so awesome. I can just go into Roblox Studio now and not click on anything and I have all the information right here in front of me. Roblox is making everything so easy for us. Now we have no more excuses not to make a game. And also on the Roblox website, they said the reason they're making this update here is to fix the known hangs and performance issues. You probably know what they're talking about if you have played the pricey P-Line Runner, where the character would hang in the air when you joined the game. Or in level 9 of Pebble Heaven, where the millions of pebbles put everything in slow motion. So basically here, if you want to learn about Roblox Studio, you can take a quick tour. I'm just going to close that. And this here is my home page. If I want to see all my experiences, I can click on this tab here to see all my experiences. And that looks like it takes a while to load and I don't have a refresh button here, so I don't know what to do here. But it is a 2025 release, so they still have a lot of time to work on it. Let's check the next one. Here's the templates. Well, at least this one's working, so I can go in and select a template that I want to use for my game. Notice the line runner is no longer available, so if you have a copy of that, hang on to it because it's going to become priceless. You cannot buy a copy of the line runner anymore. Let me see if I have any archive. Doesn't look like it's working either. How about group experiences? Nope, nothing is working for me right now. Share with me, local. Well, local is working. So I guess local are just the files that you have saved on your PC. But anyway guys, hopefully they fixed the problem with the experiences soon. And there you have it. That is the brand new 2025 Roblox Studio, available right now on a PC or laptop near you. You can go and check it out for yourself right now and hope you like the new changes. That is all for now and we will see you in our next video. Take care everyone. Peace.